Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start in Settings, not the Quick panel. Open Network and Internet or Connections and tap Hotspot and Tethering. Once there, choose Mobile Hotspot to show your current SSID and password. If your device requires it, turn the hotspot off first so fields become editable. This avoids temporary lockouts. Make sure you have device unlock access and consider notifying connected users because changing the password drops active connections. Now locate the hotspot configuration or gear icon to edit network name and password fields. You'll see a Configure Hotspot screen. Tap the gear or edit label. Change security to WPA2 or WPA3 if available because that secures traffic better than open networks. In the password field, type a strong passphrase. Use letters, numbers, and symbols with at least 8 characters. Once entered, use the Show option to verify characters. This prevents typos that lock you out later. If you want a quick mnemonic, combine 2 words and a number. After confirming, press Save or Apply to commit the new credential. You're almost done. Turn the hotspot back on so the new password takes effect, or let the system restart it automatically. Then reconnect one device to confirm the SSID and password work. Make sure you delete the old saved network on clients if they keep reconnecting with the previous credential. If a device won't connect, toggle the hotspot off and on, reboot the phone, or forget the network on the client and try again. These steps clear cache settings that often cause connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.